I call myself a recovering attorney. I was practicing and I just wanted a change of pace and I wanted to be an entrepreneur. When I started House of Lilac, digital was huge for me. As we grew, I really needed a good project management software. I really needed good email. I really needed a good cloud-based service. We were getting so many orders that going to 7 different places was just inefficient. And that's where the need for something like Microsoft Teams kicked in. And what was appealing was that we were able to just house everything on this one platform, which was mind-blowing for us. COVID changed everything for everyone. We weren't able to deliver fresh flowers, so that entire line of revenue was completely wiped out for us. So we made a huge pivot and started selling dried flowers online. The fact that we can't have a lot of staff here can get complicated because we have a lot going on. So being able to use Planner to assign tasks, being able to talk on a call on Teams, or access an Excel document that we can all work off, or have a meeting with other people that might be home, but wanting to see change in real time, like within the document. We've been able to increase efficiency, and I think as we grow, Teams will just become that much more important for us to use. Being able to have some sense of normalcy and send flowers and receive flowers, it makes people happy.